Hello students. Today for class first year computer science topic will be binary to decimal conversion. Okay? Now we will discuss binary to decimal conversion. Okay? Binary. What is the meaning of binary? Means it have binary. Bi means two, nary means number. There are two numbers. Maximum value will be 1. Means total number 0 and 1. Base is 2. In the same concept, we have to discuss about decimal. Decimal means deci, means 10. Maximum value is 9. In decimal, the range is 0 to 9. Maximum range is 9. This is called decimal number. Base is 10. Okay? The maximum value will be find out from base minus 1. 10 minus 1 means 9. 2 minus 1 means 1. Okay? Now we will discuss about the binary to decimal. Okay? Got it everything? Okay? Let us take an example. 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. This is a binary number. Then you have to convert in decimal number. So, what's the rule is? Look at the board. 1, gap it, plus 0, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1. Here we have write all the digits given in questions. 1, 0, 1, 1 and 1. Now multiply by 2. Rule is if you are changing binary to decimal, then you have to multiply with 2. Got it? If you are changing, you have to change binary to decimal, then you have to multiply by 2. All the numbers 2, 2, 2, 2. Got it? Now, starting with counting right to left. Then you have to write the right to left, starting with 0. Then your power is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's revise this. Firstly, you have to write all the digits that is given. 1, 0, 1, 1 and 1. Then you have to apply the plus between them, multiply by 2 because binary change into decimal. 2, 2, 2, 2 and 2. Counting will be start right to left. And second one is start with 0. Starting with 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Got it? Okay. 1 multiply 2 raised to 4. What is the value of 2 raised to 4? 16. Got it? Plus 0. What is the value of 2 cube? 8. Again plus 1 multiply 2 square. What is the value of 2 square? 4. Plus 1 multiply 2 raised to 1. Simple. Same value. 2 plus 1 multiply 2 raised to 0. What is the value of 2 raised to 0? Always 1. If any number have in the power of 0, that will be always 1 according to mathematics. Here 16 into 1, 16, 8 into 0, 0, 4 into 1, 4, 2 into 1, 2, plus 1 into 1, 1. Okay, let us check again. 2 raised to 4, 16, 2 cube, 8, 2 square, 4, 2 raised to 1, 2, 2 raised to 0, 1. Multiply of this one because you have only 1 and 0 digit. 0 into 8, 0 according to mathematics rule. 1 into 4, 4, 1 into 2, 2, 1 into 1, 1. Okay, what will be the sum of all digits? Question is, what will be the sum of all digits? 16 plus 0, 16, plus 4, 20, plus 2, 22, plus 1, 23. Check it again. 16 plus 0, 16, plus 4, 20, plus 2, 22, plus 1, 23. The answer is 23. Question is 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. Applying the procedure, what will be the result? 23 in decimal. This procedure is for binary to decimal conversion. Okay? Already we have discussed binary to decimal. अभी हम लोग डिस्कस कर रखा है. We have got all the rules that is used to convert binary to decimal. Okay. Next one is we have to convert binary to decimal, already discussed, and we have to convert now decimal to binary, means vice versa. Got it? First one is binary to decimal, that is already discussed. Next one is vice versa, means decimal to binary. Take an example. Example is 21. We have to convert binary. Check it. 21 is decimal number. That one is binary number. We have to convert decimal to binary, means vice versa. Okay, rule is reverse because vice versa is procedure is going on, that rule will be also vice versa. In first rule we have to multiply with 2, in vice versa we have to divide by 2. ठीक है ना. होता क्या है कि बाइनरी से जब आप डेसिमल में चेंज कर रहे थे तो हमने मल्टीप्लाई किया था विथ 2 से. अब आप रिवर्स प्रोसीजर पर आ गए. रिवर्स मतलब डेसिमल टू बाइनरी चेंज, प्रोसीजर बदल गया हमारा, रूल भी चेंज हो जाएंगे. रूल कैसे चेंज होंगे हमारे, चेक कर लेते हैं. फर्स्ट में हमने मल्टीप्लाई किया था विथ 2, हेंस वी विल बी डिवाइडेड बाय 2 एंड नोट डाउन आल्सो remainder. Got it? Let us see again. We have to divide by 2 in 21 because we have to change decimal to binary. Divide by 2 ones are 2 and 0. Remainder is 1. सिंपली आप देखिएगा 21 है, 2 10 जा 20, रिमाइंडर आल्सो विल बी 1. नेक्स्ट वन इज अगेन 2 5 जा 10, रिमाइंडर इज 0. ओके, लेट अस वन थिंग, रिमाइंडर विल बी राइट डाउन इन फ्रंट ऑफ डिवीजर. इफ यू राइट देन अबव दिस साइड, देन यू हैव टू कंफ्यूज विच वैल्यू, which remainder is belongs to which value. Next one is 2 2 ja 4, remainder is 1. Next one is 2 1 ja 2, remainder is 0. We got 1. It is minimum value by 2. 2 से छोटा है, 2 से हम इसको डिवाइड नहीं कर सकते. कंडीशन क्या है, दिस विल बी ग्रेटर, ये ग्रेटर होना चाहिए. मैथमेटिकली हमने पढ़ रखा, ऑलरेडी डिस्कस कर रखा, ऑलरेडी हम लोग जानते हैं कि 2 से हम लोग कोई भी वैल्यू जब किसी से डिवाइड करते हैं तो वो स्मॉल फॉर्म में होनी चाहिए. 2 से हम डिवाइड कर रहे थे और जिसमें डिवाइड कर रहे हैं दैट विल बी लार्ज. हेंस कंडीशन इज फॉल्स. 2 is greater, 1 is small, and we have to divide at least 1. जब तक हमारा 1 नहीं आ जाता then you have to divide it. आपको डिवाइड करना है till last, whenever you will get 1. जब तक आपको 1 नहीं मिल जाता then you have to follow this procedure. Check it. Question is 21 divided by 2. 2 10s are 20 means 1. We can say, or another procedure, 2 1s are 2, 0. 1 is remainder, 2 0 times and remainder is 1. 2 5s are 10 means 0. 2 2s are 4, remainder is 1, and 2 1s are 2, remainder is 0. Now we have to write this one. We will get 1. Now we will start from bottom to top. You have to write down. Means 1, next one is 0, next one is 1, next one is 0, and next one is 1. This is a binary number that is converted from decimal to binary. Okay, let us repeat again. 21 is decimal number. We have to convert in binary. What is the procedure of that? You have to divide by 2 in given question, because this is a vice versa binary to decimal and vice versa is decimal to binary. 2 divided by 21, 2 10s are 20. Remainder is 1. We can say. But rule is divided by 1 by y. Divided by 1 by 1. 2 ones are 2. 0. Remainder is 1. That is not divided by. Then 0 times means remainder is 1. Next one. 2 5s are 10. Remainder is 0. 2 2s are 4. Remainder is 1. 2 1s are 2. Remainder is 0. And we will get 1 from here. This will be stop the procedure. Our aim is we have to got 1 in the end of. Okay, write down from bottom to top. 1 0 1 0 1. 1 0 1 0 1. This will be converted in binary form. Got it? Okay. Today will be discuss binary to decimal conversion and decimal to binary. I hope all of you got everything whatever I have discussed here. Binary to decimal procedure and decimal to binary procedure. Students, so you have practiced about all these two conversions in your copy from your notebooks, and you can help with the book. Thank you all of you.